Hi, this is attorney David Henn. I've represented bikers in Indiana for over 25 years. I'm going to talk to you today about what you should do if you are stopped by the police and the officer wants to search you or your motorcycle. First of all, what's most important is that you and the officer stay safe during your interaction. Keep your hands where the officer can see them. Don't make any sudden or furtive moves. Speak to the officer politely. Hopefully he'll speak to you professionally. Don't become agitated or angry so that the officer may think that you're in some way threatening him. If he asks for your license and registration, simply give them to him. Now, if he's going to escalate the stop and indicates he wants to search you or your vehicle, there's some basic things that you should do to help protect your rights. First of all, whether you are in custody at the time of the search has legal significance. So simply ask the officer, am I being detained or am I free to go? And if he tells you you're not free to go, that will go a long way into proving that you are in fact in custody at the time of the search, even if you're not in handcuffs or sitting in the back of his police car. Next, the officer is supposed to advise you that you have the right to consent to the search. You should specifically and affirmatively say to the officer that you do not consent to any search of your person or of your vehicle. Doing this places you in the best position you can to trigger the warrant requirement. Now, if a warrant is really required for that search along the side of the road of you or your vehicle, that can be a very technical thing and it may take a lawyer to sort it out later. But by telling the officer that you do not consent to a search of your person or of your motorcycle, you are removing the question of whether you gave him permission to do so. Thirdly, the officer is supposed to advise you that you have the right to have an attorney assist you in making the decision regarding the search. Sometimes officers give this required advisement and sometimes they don't. But if you affirmatively tell the officer that you want your attorney present, you are doing everything you can to place yourself in the best position you can to protect your rights. Now, you're not going to win an argument on the side of the road with the officer, and if he is determined to conduct the search, he most likely will do so. And if that argument goes awry and things get out of hand, things could go very badly very quickly. You could end up in jail, the hospital, or something worse. By doing these things, you are helping your lawyer help you when you ultimately end up in court, and you have the ability to win the argument and carry the day. As always, stay safe out there. Enjoy the ride. And we'll talk again later.